everyone, good morning. So pag-usapan natin, what is the key to become one? What is the greatness? What is the key to become greatness? What is the key to self-esteem? And what is the key to honor and get trophies? Receive trophies. What is the key to a great respect? What is the key to have wealth and abundance? So according to the storyteller, for us to find the key, we have to find a way to serve people. We have to find a way. So start rendering service to people. The more you serve, the greater your portion. So ang tanging susi sa lahat, giving service to people. And that is for us to become great one. For us to have wealth and abundance. For us to have the self-esteem that we wanted to have. Giving service to people is the true key to success in our life right now. And hope that this motivational talk will learn something. Nahawak na natin yung susi. Yung susi kung paano tayo maging successful. Yung susi kung paano tayo maging paano natin makuha yung totoong path. Para makuha natin yung goal natin. To become the greatest one. Service. Giving service to people. And that is important. And also become a good leader. A person who have served well to the people. Kung paano ka mag-serve sa tao. Natatatak sa tao. Na hindi makakalimutan ng tao. And that is the time that we honor and rewarded and awarded. That is also the line, directions of having a wealth. A portion to acquire the great portions in our life. Hope this simple motivational talk, you learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.